Reading text is easy, understanding it is hard. And that's exactly what we teach our AI today. But before we get started, I hope by now you know the difference between LangChain and LangGraph. LangChain is the framework with the main purpose to build chain, prompts, tools, retrievals, basically the low-level primitives, while LangGraph is the orchestrator. Its purpose is to build the full workflows, multi-agent systems, graphs, loops, and our setup for today will be to differentiate these two. So to get started, we built two huge components, Semantic Chunking and Hybrid Retrieval. So what's chunking? It's let me go into this file. It's how we break long text into meaningful pieces. If you cut text every 500 characters, you get nonsense chunks, you break sentences, you mix topics, LLMs get confused. That's the classic lost in the middle problem, but semantic chunking fixes that. It looks at the meaning of each sentence and splits when the topic changes. The result, chunks that feel like real paragraphs with real ideas. Why we use this hybrid retrieval that I was talking about earlier? Because we have to find the right chunk, right? And keyword search is great for exact phrases, and vector search is great for concepts. So instead of picking one, we combine both. We use BM25, which is this BM25 is this classic search algorithm used in search engines. It finds documents based on exact words in the query, while Chroma is a vector database. Instead of matching words, it matches meanings using embeddings. That's hybrid retrieval, and it's extremely reliable. Now let's look at the output. So if we run the day3 script, here is what is actually happening. You will see a few warnings on the top. That's because of macOS. We can ignore them. And the script creates a tiny knowledge file, just a short explanation of LangChain and LangGraph, nothing fancy. We load that file, and semantic chunking immediately splits it into two chunks. That's perfect. It means the model detected one topic change, one section about LangChain, one about LangGraph. Then we build a hybrid retrieval, BM25 plus Chroma, and ask it a real question. What's the difference between LangChain and LangGraph? And the retrieval nails it. It returns exactly those two chunks, one explaining LangChain, one explaining semantic chunking and how LangGraph fits in. This is exactly what we want, not the whole file, not irrelevant paragraphs, just the pieces that answer the question. It's a tiny example, but it proves the whole pipeline works. Load, chunk, index, retrieve. It's accurate, meaningful, and explainable. With day 3, our agent isn't just reading anymore, it understands structure, it understands ideas, it can find the exact information you need. And this is the foundation for everything we build next. So now our AI can read and it can find the right information. Tomorrow in day 4, we give it a voice. We build the explanation engine, the part that takes these chunks and turns them into clean, simple, human level answers. Thank you for watching.